analyzed your TV watching hours before going for a fabric selection? Do you know what kind of fabric will suit your sofa better if you have a joint family? Hi, I am Shivangi, interior design consultant by passion and profession, and I am here with the 5th episode of my show, House to Home with Shivangi. In my last video, I explained you the kind of fabrics which are available in the market. Today, I am gonna tell you what kind of fabric will suit your lifestyle better. And I'll also tell you some maintenance tips. So let's start with analyzing certain aspects about your lifestyle. First is who is going to use it. So if you have a nuclear family where you only stay in the morning and late evenings at your home, that means your sofa will be used for a very less duration. So you are actually free to experiment on the kind of fabrics, colors and textures for your sofa. Yeah, if you are concerned about the maintenance part and if you don't want to get into a lot of maintenance, you can avoid light shades, you can avoid silk. Rest, I think you can be free to choose whatever you like. If it is a joint family and you have kids and elders using the sofa constantly, go for something which is easy to maintain. You would not want to keep on instructing your folks around, or you also don't want to make them feel like they are staying in a hotel where they have to be extra careful. For such scenarios, I would recommend you to go for dark colors because the stains won't be easily visible on them. There will be less maintenance. Even some fabrics like silk or light colored resin or leather can be avoided because they are not comfortable, as well as if you have stains on them, they don't clean up easily. You can go for cotton, which are, as I told you last time, the cotton blended with rayon or polyester. They are easy to maintain. They look good and very rough and tough. You need to avoid velvet because again it will attract more dust on this. You need to go for fabrics which are low on maintenance, which are stain resistant, which are waterproof. Yes, such fabrics are available in the market. There is also a kind of treatment which is done on the fabrics, which is commonly called as Scotch Guard. That is actually a film which is coated on the fabric. It lasts for 6 months and it will help increase the life of your fabric. So if you have a joint family, you should consider all these points while buying a fabric. If you have pet at home, go for a tight weave fabric so that they don't scratch it easily. Avoid fabric which actually attracts the fur because then it will always make your sofa look shabby. Even some visitors would be uncomfortable, and even to avoid this, you can go for the same color of fabric as the color of your pet. Alternatively, if you have kids and pets at home and you do not want to restrict their movements, use a slip cover which can be easily removed when you have visitors and you can see a brand new sofa for you. Second aspect is purpose of sofa. So for selecting a fabric, you really need to be clear on why do you want that sofa in the house. Sometimes people have two areas like a living room and a drawing room. So drawing room is used only for the visitors and living room is used more often for the people in the house to watch TV, to have food, to interact with each other. So you can select the fabric accordingly. So for a drawing room which is used very less, you can even go for expensive fabrics like silk, you can go for leather, you can go for faux leather. For your living room, you need to be very choosy about the fabric. It should be really comfortable, it should be really maintenance free. So cotton blended with polyester can be a good option there. Even velvet can be a good option if it is of a good quality. Now third aspect is time spent on sofa. So you need to analyze whether you are a TV freak and how long you actually sit in front of your TV. If your sofa is placed right in front of your TV, then you need to have a fabric which is really comfortable, which makes you feel which gives a soft feeling, which gives you a comfort feeling. You should not be too sweaty when you are sitting there. So in that case you can avoid faux leather completely. You can actually go for cotton, you can go for linen, you can go for velvet. All these fabrics are really comfortable for the skin. And if you want to go for natural fibers, obviously linen and cotton are the best. Sweat leather can be a little uncomfortable if you are planning to sit there for a longer hour, but otherwise it gives a very soft feel, unlike the regular faux leather. Leather is anyways a very skin friendly material, so if you have a good budget, you can actually go for a leather for a longer time span if you want to sit. So now let's talk about the maintenance aspect of the sofa. Generally, an average life of a sofa fabric is 5 years. In Indian context, we actually prolong it to 7 to 10 years. If you have leather, it can definitely last for 10 years. But if you go for a regular fabric, I think you should change it for you should change in every 5 years, because even the so the foam also needs to be replaced by then for having a better comfort. Every 15 days you should vacuum it, and every year you should call for agency for shampooing it. And yes, you should actually go for reputed agency, because they understand the fabric, they understand what treatment it needs, and they have the right machines to do that. So this was all about how to select the sofa fabric and the maintenance aspect of the fabric. In my next video, I will help you select the right kind of pattern, right kind of colors, right kind of texture for your lifestyle. Till then, stay tuned to my channel House to Home with Shivangi, and you know what you have to do. You have to like and share this post. Also, you need to subscribe to my channel House to Home with Shivangi on YouTube for more such informative videos. Bye bye.